Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 50 words per minute. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Honorable members, on behalf of this August House, I compliment our great farmers. My government is striving very hard to attain the goal of doubling farmers' income. Understanding the need of farmers, the government is seeking to find permanent solutions to their problems. It is the priority of the government to provide better facilities and assistance to farmers for the entire spectrum of agriculture activities, from purchase of equipments and seeds to transportation of produce and its sale. Work is being carried out with a new approach for reducing the cost of farming, providing the farmers with fair price for their crops, providing access to new markets and helping them with additional sources of income. My government has taken the historic decision of fixing the minimum support price of 22 crops at 1.5 times higher than the production cost of the crop. In addition, it is being ensured that good quality seeds are made available to the farmers. The number of Krishi Vignan Kendras is being increased across the country to assist the farmers with specific methods of farming. More than 17 crore soil health cards have been distributed to inform the farmers about the health of the soil. 100% neem coating of urea has been done to facilitate its availability and to prevent its misuse. My government is completing 99 incomplete old irrigation projects so that farmers do not face any hurdle in irrigation. 71 of these projects will be completed by the next few months. Micro irrigation is also being promoted by the government to ensure full utilization of every drop of water. Crop insurance is being provided to farmers at low premium under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana to safeguard them from potential crisis due to crop damage. A campaign has been launched to link online more than 1,500 agricultural mandis to facilitate market access to farmers. Cold storage capacities are being increased at a fast pace to minimize crop damage from the field to the market and to ensure proper storage. The Waste to Wealth campaign is being implemented to ensure that farmers generate additional income out of the crop residue from their field. Under the Brew Revolution scheme, my government is providing training to fishermen in deep sea fishing and financial assistance buying modern fishing travelers. This shall allow them to have additional income for improving their standard of living as such. Stop. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Thank you.